Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to display all asset symbols in Metatrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the Market Watch panel. This panel is essential as it displays all the trading instruments and symbols you have access to. Now, if you don't see the Market Watch panel on your screen, don't worry, simply look at the top menu bar and click on View. This will open a drop-down menu with various display options. From this menu, click on Market Watch and the panel will appear on the left side of your interface. This ensures you have quick access to all available trading symbols. Next, right-click anywhere within the Market Watch panel. This action will bring up a context menu with several useful options for customizing what you see. From this menu, look for and click on Show All. This is the key step that allows you to view every available asset symbol in your Metatrader 5 platform, not just the default ones that are typically displayed. Once you click this option, the system will populate the Market Watch panel with all trading instruments available through your broker. You'll need to wait a moment while all the symbols load into your Market Watch panel. Depending on how many instruments your broker offers, this could take a few seconds as the platform retrieves and displays the complete list of assets. Now, if you want to organize these symbols for easier navigation, you can right-click on the Market Watch panel again. From the context menu that appears, hover over or click on Sort. This will reveal sorting options that help you arrange the symbols in a more manageable way. Click on Symbol to sort all the assets alphabetically by their symbol names. This makes it much simpler to locate specific trading instruments quickly, especially when you're dealing with hundreds of available assets. And that's it. You've now configured your Metatrader 5 to display all available asset symbols and organize them for quick access. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.